Hey guys, I've got another comparison for you here. On the left here is an ACDelco made in the USA air filter. This is for a 2015 Chevy Tahoe. I think that runs all the way to 2020. So 2015 to 2020, I think that's all uses the same air filter. This one obviously is very dirty. I'm replacing it with a Bosch Workshop. Yeah, Bosch Workshop air filter, 5499 WS. This one is made in China, so maybe not as desirable as the one made in the USA. But let me tell you, this one has 56 pleats. Yep, I went through and counted all the pleats. This one's got 56 pleats. This one has 73 pleats. So when it comes to filtering, if you got more pleats, it'll do a better job of filtering. Now, this one may provide more airflow because it's less pleats, but this one's definitely going to clean better. I do like the way the ACDelco has this additional glue in here that's holding all the pleats together. The Bosch just has this glue on these two sides here. There's no glue in the middle, and the glue is raised. It's on the top of the filter, whereas on the ACDelco, the glue falls in between the pleats. I suspect by letting the glue fall down in between the pleats, it kind of holds them together better because you've got the physical glue in between the pleats that are keeping them open. Whereas on this one, the glue is just on top, so not going to hold the pleats open as much as on this one. So I think the Bosch filter was very inexpensive, probably half the price of the ACDelco filter. I think the Bosch Workshop filter will probably work just fine, especially since I change them every 12 to 15,000 miles. This one here, I can't tell you how long this one's been in the vehicle, probably too long. Anyway, there you go. That's your comparison on these air filters. I hope you find this helpful. Thanks.